Breakups are challenging and often feel overwhelming, but understanding the stages of healing can help you navigate this difficult time. Initially, you may struggle with the decision to end the relationship, weighing the pros and cons with the help of friends, family, or a therapist. If you find yourself shocked by a breakup, it's essential to seek support and reflect on whether the relationship truly met your needs. As you remember the good times, be cautious not to overlook the reasons for the breakup and consider keeping a list of both positive and negative aspects. Feelings of denial and anger are normal. Allow yourself to experience these emotions and channel them into self-care activities. During the bargaining phase, you might grapple with what-ifs, but it's important to remember that both parties contributed to the relationship's outcome. Finally, sadness is a natural reaction, and embracing your feelings is a vital part of the healing process.